Looking to hire top tier freelance talent or wondering if Toptal is worth joining as a freelancer in 2025? Today we are giving you an honest review, the pros, cons, and everything you should know about Toptal before you sign up. And for now, let's dive in. What is Toptal? Toptal stands for top talent, and it lives up to that name with a super selective screening process, accepting just the top 3% of applicants. Whether you are hiring or freelancing, it focuses on elite professionals in software development, design, finance, product management, and project management. Pros for clients. Now let's talk about the pros, starting with the clients. Top tier talent only. You'll not be browsing through endless profiles. TopTal does the vetting for you. Fast matching process. Some clients report getting matched within 48 hours. Risk-free trial. You can try a freelancer for up to 2 weeks before committing. Pros for freelancers. Premium clients, you are working with companies like Airbnb, Shopify, and JP Morgan. Remote first high pay. Top-tal freelancers often earn more than one other platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Supportive environment. Top-tal has a strong internal community and even paid programs for professional development. And now let's talk about the cons. TopTal isn't for everyone. Here are the downsides. Extremely hard to get in. Their screening includes coding tests, interviews, and trial projects. Many applicants fail. Not ideal for beginners. If you are just starting out, this isn't the platform for you. Less control over project choice. Freelancers have to wait for internal job matches rather than applying freely to gigs. TopTal versus competitors. Now, when we compare it to Upwork or Fiverr, TopTal feels more curated and high end. It's less about volume and more about precision. If you are a business that needs serious talent and fast, it's worth the price. For freelancers, it's not a side hustle playground, it's a career move. Now, who should use TopTal? After all this information, you may ask yourself, who is it really for? It's for businesses who want to hire senior level pros without waiting through endless resumes. And it's for freelancers with more than 5 years of experience who want premium long term clients. Final verdict. In 2025, TopTal is still a top tier freelance platform, but it is not for everyone, as I mentioned. If you are serious about hiring or freelancing at a high level, it's absolutely worth considering. But be prepared, it's elite for a reason. And that's all for today's review. Please smash the like button, subscribe, and tell me your opinion down below in the comments, and see you in a new review.